Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain tech. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw your Polkadot tokens from your Trezor hardware wallet to Uphold in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will keep you secure and efficient. Whether you're staking, trading, or just managing your assets, knowing how to move your DOT safely is crucial. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Trezor device is set up and connected to your computer. If you haven't already, download the latest Trezor Suite app. It's free and essential for 2025's enhanced security features. Once you're in, navigate to the Polkadot app on your Trezor. This hardware wallet is a beast for keeping your keys offline, so you're already ahead of the game. Next, head over to your Uphold account. Log in, go to your wallet section, and generate a new deposit address specifically for Polkadot. Double check that it's correct. Typos here can mean lost funds. Copy that address to your clipboard. Now, back in Trezor Suite, select your Polkadot wallet. You'll see your DOT balance. Hit the Send or Withdraw button. Paste in the Uphold address, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees, which have been optimized in 2025 but can still vary. Before confirming, your Trezor will prompt you to verify the transaction on the device itself. This is your security checkpoint. Check the details carefully to avoid any scams. Once you're good, approve it, and watch the magic happen. The transaction should process quickly on the Polkadot network. Once it's done, jump back to Uphold and refresh your dashboard. Your DOT should appear in your account shortly. Pro tip: always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer like Polkadot's Subscan to ensure everything went smoothly. And there you have it. Your Polkadot is now safely in Uphold, ready for trading or whatever's next. If you run into any issues, double check your setups or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure out there.